Will India be sending a Team B for the Sri Lanka tour? Well, Sourav Ganguly has hinted at something like that. I'm going to be giving you those details. Uske baad dekhenge that thoughtful gesture from Sunrisers Hyderabad for India's fight against COVID-19. Aur sabse ant mein, we're going to look at that tragic news coming in for Piyush Chawla as he loses his father because of COVID-19. Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. This is a show where we give you updates about everything happening in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu, but before I begin the video, I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe during these testing times and only stepping out when it's essential. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. Former India captain and current BCCI president Sourav Ganguly has stated that India will be taking part in that Sri Lanka tour. However, the team might not be the same like we always kind of see with the names that are very common, because this might be a Team B that will be sent for this tour. Now, it's also because of the fact that, other tours will be happening for India, whether we're talking about the WTC final or even the England series, which means that logistically it won't be possible right now, which is why they're contemplating sending that Team B. Now, on the other hand, it is also speculated that Shikhar Dhawan might be leading this team. Now, Sourav Ganguly did give his opinion on this, and what did he say? I'm going to be telling you. Now, he said that we have planned a white ball series for the senior men's team during the month of July, where they will play T20 internationals and ODIs in Sri Lanka. Yes, it will be a team of white ball specialists. It will be a different team. Now, this, of course, is what Sourav Ganguly has to say. But according to you, who are the potential picks in that Team B? Definitely give me your predictions in the comment section below. The COVID-19 pandemic has surely wrecked all our lives, and with what is happening in India, especially in the past couple of weeks, with the fact that the wave was just out of nowhere, which has caused a lot more lives to be lost, is of course a devastating situation. Now, there are a lot of things that have been happening, but one of the things that we have seen predominantly in the past few weeks is that from the cricketing world, a lot of them have come forward and given the support and donated. Now, the latest team to be doing that is the IPL franchise Sunrisers Hyderabad, who have donated a sum of 30 crore to help India battle against COVID-19. They also said that this is one sort of aid that they are trying to give to help everybody who's involved in this fight. Now, they also released a statement on their social media handle to give us the exact details about their thoughts behind this gesture. And in that statement, they said that Sun TV is donating rupees 30 crores to provide relief to those affected by the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, of course, many other franchises have also done their bit in their own way, whether it's even, of course, procuring of oxygen cylinders, which is a big need at the moment for India. But at this time, it is, very humbling experience to see the cricketing world come together to help India fight against this pandemic. And this thoughtful gesture by Sunrisers Hyderabad, by donating this amount, only goes on to show that in testing times, of course, everybody is coming together, no matter which team you are a part of. Everybody is in this together to fight the battle against COVID-19. If there's one thing the pandemic has taken away from us, it is the fact that loved ones are losing their lives, and there's nothing we can do about it because of the current situation. Last evening, we shared the news of youngster Chetan Sakaria losing his father, unfortunately, because of COVID-19, and today Indian cricketer Piyush Chawla lost his father because of COVID-19 complications. Now, Piyush's father was diagnosed with COVID-19, and then later he was recovering from it, but he suffered because of post-COVID-19 complications. A post was shared on Piyush Chawla's official social media handle, and that post said, "With the deepest grief, we announce that my father, Mr. Pramod Kumar Chawla, left for the heavenly abode on 10th May 2021. He was suffering from COVID and post-COVID complications. We invite your kind thoughts and prayers in these difficult times. May his noble soul rest in peace." This is what the post read, on which there was a small picture of Piyush's father as well. We're only hoping that he gets through this testing time and, of course, comes out of this much stronger. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Of course, follow all our social media channels and subscribe to Cricket Tracker without fail so that you are updated every time we get a new video for you. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'm going to sign off, but until I see you next time, do not forget to take care, stay at home and stay safe. Bye-bye.